Alright, so let's finish up this problem that we have. We've got our null and alternative hypothesis made up, where mu is the size of the game cube. What we need to do is we're going to do a t-test. Okay, so I'm going to go to my test. I go to t-test. I'm going to enter my data in. So I know this is 29.5. I know my x bar was 29.4846. I know my standard deviation was 0.09000274. I know my n was 50. I know that it's a two-sided test, so it's not equal to. So I'm going to calculate, and so then I get a t-score. So on my t-test, what I would do is I'd come into here and I would say x bar is equal to 29.4846. Then I would put that the mean naught that we're looking at is 29.5. My s of x is 0.0900274. N is 50, and we're going to do a two-sided test. And then it gives us the fact that t is equal to negative 1.2096, and then we'd have to go look on the book in the cover and we'd have to get the range of what the value is. But our calculator actually calculated it for us what our p-value is, and our p-value is 0.2322. Okay, so what we would do is we would come in. For me, this is what I like to do. Oops, you guys can't see that. Let's scoot that up. So that's my p-value. And then I'm going to, of course, come down to here and say 0.2322. I'm going to say my significance level is 0.05. So then which one's bigger? Well, this one's going to be bigger. So then we are going to fail to reject our null hypothesis. Okay, so then we'd come in here and do a little write-up. Since the p-value since p-value is 0.2322 and our significance level we fail to reject the null hypothesis. Okay, so we would fail to reject there is not convincing evidence that the true mean length of the cubes is not 29.5 millimeters. Oops. So there is our two-sided test. It's very similar to our one-sided test. The only difference is that we have to account for both sides. And so when we account for both sides, we would actually have to come in and double our p-values. Okay, not double our p-value. Excuse me. We would have to look at the two ranges, but I like using the calculator better because it gives us an exact answer for our p-value, and then we can go in there and can do our convincing or not convincing. Okay, so there's that one.